Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. I think this is part 22 of our series, my first ever Unreal project, which I did not break my game. Don't freak out, don't freak out. It's not broken. I duplicated my level and then deleted a whole bunch of stuff on the duplicate. Why did I do that? I'll show you. I made a main menu. So if you were to double click on the icon on your desktop or boot it up from Steam, this is what would show up. And I was thinking about maybe moving the cave entrance to right here. I think that would look really cool from this viewpoint. I wouldn't change it in the real game. I would just kind of change it here visually because you can't run around in this world or anything. This is just like, that's why I deleted most of it, because this is all we can do. We can look at it. And the stuff is moving and stuff, you know. We can maybe add some fish jumping. Maybe we could have some birds flying by every now and then, or some butterflies going around, you know. Like, I have most of that stuff already, except the fish jumping. So I just need to add that. Maybe add a few more buttons here. Like, I think this will be like a quick start from autosave, and then we'll do like a load game, which will have to pop up like a thing, you know, and then you'll have like your save slots, and you'll have to pick, you know, like one, like your auto save, and then like save slot 1, 2, and 3. We have our settings here, which we started working on. This is going to be like your controls, like your keyboard controls, your audio controls, so we can turn the bird volume down so it's not so loud. We have like a video controls to change like your video settings, and like a return to menu button. I have to figure out how we want that to look, because I want it to be the same in-game as well. So I don't want it to be off to the side here. We kind of want it to be centered because we want it to be the same in-game. And I'll show you it in-game once we get in-game. And you'll kind of understand what I'm talking about a little bit more. And I was thinking maybe like when we hit settings here, like these buttons would disappear. And then, you know, wherever return to menu ends up being, we'll click that button and then these will pop back up. And when that disappears, I think that would look pretty good. What else was I thinking for this? Oh, what do you guys think? I could put the logo right here. That would look kind of good, right? Kind of cover up the ugly rocks a bit. And it just kind of seems like it would fit right there, right? Like, I don't have a name for the game yet, or like a logo, but once I do, it should go right here, right? And then we'll have like the little cave entrance, and like, you know, like kind of spruce it up with a, you know, bird flying by, or like some butterflies or something. That'd look pretty cool. Maybe we could put like a sword on the ground, or like a campfire right here with the fire burning. That'd look pretty neat. But yeah, if you hit exit, it exits. Go right back into it. Loads pretty quick. And if we hit start game, it will be like our, you know, quick start from autosave. So we're loading our autosave right now. This is our autosave. So we loaded from our current autosave. You know, this is our game. We're back in our real game. Nothing's deleted. What did we get working here? Let me show you the menus real quick. So if we have our inventory open and we hit escape, and hit escape again, which you might know from most games, like you can hit escape and close out like your inventory or any kind of thing that's on the screen. Well, I think I just had a bug there. Hold on one second. Un momento, por favor. So I just started implementing this. I haven't really done a whole lot of bug testing yet. I'm not really sure what happened there. But yeah, if you hit escape, it will typically close anything you have open. Like, it should close these chests if we hit escape. Okay, and yeah, it pops right back up there. I thought it was supposed to just do it once and then pop up. Oh well. But like I was saying with the settings from the main menu, you know, like we hit the settings, we want the same thing to pop up here. That's why it's centered here. And that's why I was thinking about getting rid of those buttons, because if this ends up being like really big and it's centered here, then and you know, we'll move this return to menu button, which brings this menu back if we're in the game. But if we're in the other one, we'll have it do something else. But I want the same settings menu. I don't want to make two different settings menus. And kind of same with the load game thing, because if we load game on the main menu, like nothing happens if I click this. I haven't made anything pop up. we kind of want the same, use the same thing, right? So we'll kind of have to think about that. This kind of just saves like an autosave, but we'll kind of want to have something pop up if we want to save like a specific slot. So I'm starting to kind of brainstorm about that now that I can visually kind of see what I'm going to have to do here. If you hit resume, you just kind of go back to your game. This actually closes out everything. This goes back to the main menu, which is really nice. That works. Main menu, and it saves the game when you hit it. So we can probably get rid of a lot of our autosaves now, pretty much. Like when we, you know, like drop an item or pick an item up, the game saves. We can probably get rid of that now so we're not saving so much. And we can just kind of, I actually am not hitting escape. That's the issue I'm having. Because when you hit escape, it exits the editor here. I'm actually hitting a different key. And when I actually release the game, I'm going to have to switch it to escape because I haven't figured out how to switch that escape hotkey for the Unreal editor. So I'm actually hitting a different key to pull this up instead of escape. And that's the issue I was having. But yeah, this works going back to the main menu. This actually closes out to desktop. Make sure this works because it didn't before. Alright, yep. And I think there is like a lot of issues, like I can open my inventory when I'm dead, and I think like this pops up like if we're like, I got another bug there where I lost my movement. How does that? Okay, I got it back there. Huh, that's weird. So like, yeah, I got a bunch of bugs. I might have to, there, I lost it again. Huh, might have to figure that one out. But yeah, got a lot of bugs to work out with that, but we got the basics done for like the menu functionality, which is really, really nice. What else did I want to show you? Oh yeah, the death feature. I lost it again there. That's kind of annoying. Having a lot of bugs. Alright, so we're going to eat some red mushrooms. These kill you. I need a bunch of them. Right now the death feature is very basic. I haven't added any sleeping bags yet, but I've kind of set it up to where it can receive sleeping bags once I make them. I just have to make them. So I'm going to make the HUD update a lot faster here because you can see we're dead. And oh yeah, see, like I'm having a lot of bugs happen because you can open your inventory when you're dead. So I'm having like a whole bunch of issues. Go into the game. We're gonna have to kill ourselves again. And yeah, we got our red mushrooms on there, so let's kill ourselves. But I'm gonna make the HUD update a lot faster. I got it to where it doesn't show the decimal points, which is really nice. You can see it's like -25 instead of 0, and it took a while to update there. And then when we kill ourselves, it takes a while to update and realize we're dead. Don't hit tab. Don't open inventory. We fade to black here. I'm going to try to make this stand out a little bit more. And we have like a scroll bar, which we should probably hide that when we don't have any. But our sleeping bags will load into this scroll bar menu. If we don't have sleeping bags, obviously we can hit last checkpoint. I'm going to have to add some checkpoints. Right now I just kind of set like a default one, which the default one should actually be way back there at the start of the game. And then when you get down here, it should pop up on the screen, tell you updated your checkpoint. And then we'll have a third checkpoint in the castle by the church, I think. And other than that, you should just have your sleeping bags or your whatever I end up making, like beds or whatever. We'll try to make it to where the beds have like cooldowns for different tiers of beds to where you can't respawn right away. Maybe if you get like a really nice bed, you can insta respawn, something like that. Pretty cool. But before the video gets too long, let's jump into what I have so far for our new animation blueprint. Now, I made a new project and started using the new Manny animation blueprint, and I was able to actually put my man mesh onto this without having to do anything too crazy. and it seems to be looking pretty decent, using whatever skeleton it's using. I don't even know, since the Manny's using a certain skeleton. But what do you guys think? I want your this is like main reason I'm making this video is because I want your opinion. Is this what we're going for as far as the look of our animation of our guy here? I know he looked really weird before. Well, I got that in the comments a lot. He looked really weird. So keep in mind, this is the default animation blueprint, so it only has 4-way directional movement. We have 8-way directional in our game, and we have like sprinting and walking and crouching and swimming. Now I'm using the default jump in my game, which my default jump is broken because I was using it from like 5.1 or 5.2 or something. And this is actually fixed in here, and it looks really good. It looks like you can jump instantly instead of waiting for the animation to play, which is what mine was doing, and it wasn't playing the animation, so it was kind of very glitchy. This is very responsive. I like this a lot. And this also comes with the built-in IK foot bones, which is really cool, right? So what do you guys think? Is this what we're going for? Should I kind of try to rebuild my animation blueprint off of this and see how we look from that? And if my animations end up looking kind of garbage, then I'll just kind of try to make new animations as far as like the turn in place and the walking and stuff. If those are the things that are looking like garbage, if I retarget them to these and they still look like garbage, I'll just make new ones. I'll replace them with new ones, because there's like a new way to make animations in 5.4, which you might have seen in YouTube tutorials. I've started seeing it pop up. I think it's in here. It looks like something similar to this right here. You might have seen it. There's a new way to, I guess it's like a really easy way to make animations in 5.4. So I'm going to be checking that out when I get back from vacation. I'm going to move heaven and hell to try to get this working. If you guys think this is adequate for a video game, is this what we're going for here? Like the posture, the look, everything, the animations. I like the jumping a lot. But let me know what you think in the comments. Please let me know, because I would like to move forward with this and get this behind me. So yeah, that's going to be it for this video. Stay tuned for future ones.